Hello friends. Myself, Divya Shah, studying in Standard 10th in VIBRATING English Medium School, CBSE, Baramati. I am going to explain you about the chapter electricity. First of all, I am thank you to Acharya Academy. Now, let's see what is electricity. Electricity is simply study of charges. Now, what is static electricity? A stationary electric charge typically produced by friction which causes sparks or crackling or the attraction of dust or hair. Now, you would be thinking, what is electric current? Electric current is expressed by the amount of charge flowing through a particular area in a unit time. In other words, we can say it is the rate of flow of electric charges. If a net charge Q flows across any cross section of a conductor in time t, then the current through the cross section is current is equal to charge by time. Now, what are charges? However, electrons were not known at the time when the phenomena of electricity was first observed. So, electric current was considered to be flow of positive charges was taken to be the direction of electric current. Conventionally, in an electric circuit, the direction of electric circuit is taken as opposite to the direction of flow of electrons, which are negative charges. The SI unit of charge is coulomb, which is equivalent to the charge contained in nearly 6 into 10 raised to 18 electrons. We know that an electric circuit as shown in table comprises a cell, a plug key, electrical component and connecting wires. It is often convenient to draw a schematic diagram in which different components of the circuit are represented by the symbols conventionally used. Conventional symbols used to represent some of the most commonly used electrical components are given in the table. What is Ohm's law? Relating the voltage difference between 2 points, the electric current flowing between them and the resistance of the path of the current. Mathematically, the law states that voltage is equal to current into resistance, where V is the voltage difference, I is the current in amperes, and R is the resistance in ohm. Resistance is the property of a conductor to resist the flow of charges through it. The SI unit of ohm is represented by Greek letter. According to Ohm's law, resistance is equal to voltage by current. A component used to regulate current without changing the voltage source is variable resistance. In an electric circuit, a device called rheostat is often used to change the resistance in the circuit. Now, what are the factors on which resistance depends? Factors. It depends on its length. It depends on area of cross section. And it also depends on the nature of the material. Heating effect of electric current. When electric current flows through a metallic conductor, then heat is produced. Metallic conductors has large number of electrons which move randomly. If a conductor is connected to a source of electricity, then free electrons move from negative terminal to positive terminal. They collide with atoms or ions of conductor with each other. As a result of collision, kinetic energy of free electrons is transferred to atoms or ions. Then they start vibrating with large amplitude. Thus, total energy of ions increases. Now, Joule's law can be stated as the amount of heat produced in conductor is first directly proportional to square of electric current flowing through it. Second, directly proportional to resistance of a conductor. Third, directly proportional to the time for which electric current flow through the conductor. Now let's see Practical application of heating of current. Electric heat cold on water heater works on heating effect of current. When these applications are connected to supply of electricity, they become hot but wires remain cold. They are made up of nichrome. Nichrome has high resistance, so large amount of heat is produced. Connecting wires are made up of copper or aluminium with small resistance, so small heat is produced and remain cold. Now, second, electric bulb glows when electric current flows through filament of the bulb. Filament of an electric bulb is made up of tungsten with high melting point. Since resistance of thin filament is very high, so larger heat is produced as electric current which flow through filament. Due to its large amount of heat is produced, filament of bulb become white hot, hence filament of bulb emits light and heat. Now let's see. Electric fuse in the electric circuit melts when large current flows in the circuit. Electric fuse is safety device connected in series with electric circuit. Electric fuse is a wire made up of material whose melting point is very low. When large electric current flows through a circuit and hence through fuse wire, large amount of heat is produced. Due to this large heat, the fuse wire melts and circuit is broken so that current stops flowing in the circuit. This saves electric current from burning. Now, electric fuses can be rated as 1 ampere, 2 ampere, 3 ampere, 5 ampere and 10 ampere. Thank you.